Hello and welcome to my channel Bit by Curiosity. In today's video, we will talk about creating a drop-down list in Excel. Drop-down list improves the accuracy of data and speeds up the process of collecting and combining the multiple Excel sheets. So let's begin. We are considering the last dummy data that we had created. I will leave the link in description box in case you want to practice on the same set of data. Now I am creating a separate Excel for all the exited employees. We need to create a column for capturing the separation reason. So let's assume there were 3 major separation reasons. I will type it down in the next sheet. First one would be better opportunity. Say it can be because of compensation or higher role. Second would be higher education. They may have gone in India or abroad. Third would be personal. It may be because of health issues or relocation. Dropdown may also be used when you want to receive responses from other users. It helps you to give standardized responses and saves time for data cleanup. The first part is already covered by listing down the options. Let's convert it to a table. I'll share shortly why did we convert this to a table. Let's name this table as exit reasons. Now let's again go to the main sheet. So let's create a drop down. Click on the cell where you want to create drop down list. Go to data, click on data validation. Now it is asking for allow. Current value is any value. By default, this is the setting, that is the reason we are able to enter any value in the cell. However, in this scenario, we want it to be restricted to a list of values. So we will select on list. And then we go to source. Source will include the list that dropdown should include in terms of the reasons. Let's select our reasons and click on OK. Now we can see our dropdown is ready and we are able to see all 3 options. Now, coming back to the point, why did we convert the reasons into a table? In case we want to expand our drop-down values, it is easier if we create a table. Let's assume I forgot to add one reason such as others. I go back to that table and add others in the end. And we have others available in drop-down now. So that's it for this video. I will be covering dependent drop-down list in my next video. If you liked my video, do click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Do share your comments on which Excel formulas or problem statements I should cover in my next video. Stay safe, keep learning, and bye-bye for now.